To change ringtone in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings, select sounds and vibration, and then select sound or tap ringtone. Select a SIM you want, for example for SIM 1, and then select ringtone you want. And then tap back button to save ringtone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.